Hello everyone, if your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 keeps crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop Black Ops 7 from crashing your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and then you're going to come here, you're going to go into Device Security, you're going to go into Core Isolation Details, and here you should have kernel mode hardware enforced stack protection. You're going to disable it, so just turn it off. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up your games platform and you try to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that you won't get that crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.